This video is everything you need to know about using the Change Surfaces tool. This is used to change the appearance of surfaces like walls or floors in an image. If you'd like to change the appearance of furniture or other objects, use either the text prompt under General Tools in Edit Image or AI Combine to make more specific changes. I'm going to go to the Uploads tab here and select an image I've used before. Once you've generated an image, it will be saved under AI Generated Upload. It also filters between what you've uploaded and what you've generated. The Change Surfaces tool can be used on any type of image, so you could use a reference image, something you've generated, or a photo of your client's home. Here, we'll select Edit Image and then go to the Change Surfaces tab on the right. You can choose to either describe the changes you want to make using text, or quick select the surface you'd like to change. I'm going to choose a floor finish. I can browse the library of wallpapers, colors, flooring options, or even your own uploaded images. I'll go with this floor finish that I've uploaded, select it, and then press Apply Surface. When you have multiple versions of an image, you can see them all here on the bottom left and switch between them easily. Next, I'm going to add a wallpaper, and I'll select it by using the search and filtering by brand. And here it is. On the product list here on the right, we can see the wallpaper that we selected is included. It will also be given a label as being part of an AI generated image. You can also find the versions of your image under More Images. Generated images will automatically be saved in the Uploads tab under AI Generated Uploads, and you can switch between your different versions quickly. When you add an AI generated image to your board, you get the option of if you would like to add the linked products to the product list, or if you just want the image. The tool is a really quick and simple way to test out different surface options for your projects, and now you're ready to start designing.